Have you ever looked up at a clear blue sky and watched airplanes soar through the air? It's a mesmerizing sight. The way they glide effortlessly, cutting through the clouds, can be quite captivating. But have you ever stopped to wonder how all those planes manage to fly so close together without colliding? It's a question that might not cross our minds often, but it's crucial for the safety of air travel. The answer is air traffic control, or ATC for short. This sophisticated system is the backbone of modern aviation. ATC is a system designed to keep aircraft separated in the sky. It ensures that each plane maintains a safe distance from others, preventing mid-air collisions. It's a bit like an invisible hand guiding planes safely to their destinations. This invisible hand is operated by highly skilled professionals. Without ATC, our skies would be chaotic and dangerous. Imagine a sky where planes are left to navigate on their own. It would be a recipe for disaster. Air traffic controllers are the unsung heroes of aviation. They work in control towers and centers, often unseen by the public. They work tirelessly behind the scenes to ensure the safety of every flight. Their vigilance and expertise are what keep our skies safe. Their job is demanding, requiring intense focus and quick thinking. Every decision they make can have significant consequences, making their role both challenging and critical. In the early days of aviation, there wasn't much need for ATC. Planes were slow, and there weren't that many of them. But as air travel became more popular, the skies started to get crowded. One of the first major steps towards organized air traffic control came after World War II. The rapid development of radar technology during the war proved invaluable for tracking aircraft. This led to the establishment of air traffic control centers equipped with radar systems. Early controllers relied on basic radio communication and visual sightings to guide pilots. They used maps and rudimentary flight strips to track aircraft positions. It was a far cry from the sophisticated systems we have today. Modern ATC relies on a complex network of radars, radios, and computers. These tools allow controllers to see where planes are, how fast they're going, and where they're headed. Radar systems are the eyes of ATC. They send out radio waves that bounce off airplanes and return to the radar station. By measuring the time it takes for the signal to return, the radar can determine the plane's distance and altitude. Communication is key in ATC. Controllers use radios to talk to pilots, giving them instructions on altitude, speed, and direction. They also relay important information about weather and other potential hazards. Section 4. The human element, controllers at work. While technology plays a vital role in air traffic control, the human element is just as important. Air traffic controllers are highly trained professionals responsible for making life-or-death decisions every day. Controllers work in air traffic control towers located at airports and in regional air traffic control centers. They use their training, experience, and judgment to maintain safe separation between aircraft. The job of an air traffic controller is incredibly stressful. They must remain calm under pressure and be able to make quick decisions in rapidly changing situations. Their primary goal is always to ensure the safety of everyone in the air. Section 5. Navigating the invisible highways. You might picture airplanes flying randomly through the sky, each pilot choosing their own path and altitude, but in reality, aircraft follow very specific routes called airways, which are meticulously planned and managed. These airways are like invisible highways in the sky, helping to organize air traffic flow and ensure safety. Airspace is divided into different classes, each with its own set of rules and regulations, designed to manage the complexity of modern aviation. Controlled airspace, for example, is where air traffic control provides separation services to aircraft, ensuring they don't come too close to one another. Uncontrolled airspace, on the other hand, is where pilots are responsible for their own separation, relying on visual flight rules and communication. Air traffic controllers use a combination of radar, radio communication, and established procedures to guide aircraft along these airways, ensuring smooth and efficient travel. They ensure that planes maintain a safe distance from each other at all times, preventing collisions and managing the flow of air traffic. Pilots play a crucial role as well, following instructions from air traffic control and adhering to the established routes and procedures. Whether it's day or night, clear skies or stormy weather, the coordination between pilots and air traffic controllers ensures that millions of flights reach their destinations safely. This intricate system of invisible highways is a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of safety and efficiency in aviation. Section 6. Staying calm when things go wrong. Emergencies are rare in aviation, but they do happen. When they do, air traffic controllers are the first line of defense. They must quickly assess the situation, make critical decisions, and coordinate emergency response efforts. Lost communication, mechanical problems, and severe weather are just a few of the challenges that controllers might face. In an emergency, controllers must remain calm and collected, providing clear and concise instructions to pilots. Controllers undergo rigorous training to handle a wide range of emergencies. They practice different scenarios and learn how to use all available resources to ensure the best possible outcome for everyone involved. Section 7, Guardians of the Sky. Air traffic control is an essential part of aviation safety. Without it, the skies would be chaotic and dangerous. The role of air traffic controllers is to manage the safe and orderly flow of aircraft, both on the ground and in the air. It's a complex and demanding system that relies on advanced technology and the skills of highly trained professionals. These controllers use radar, radio communication, and other tools to track and guide aircraft, ensuring they maintain safe distances from each other. Every day, air traffic controllers around the world work tirelessly to keep our skies safe. They coordinate takeoffs and landings, manage the flow of aircraft between different airspaces, and respond to emergencies with precision and calm. From the moment a plane takes off to the time it lands, air traffic controllers are there, guiding it every step of the way. They communicate with pilots, providing crucial information about weather conditions, potential hazards, and flight paths. They are the unseen guardians of the sky, ensuring that millions of people reach their destinations safely. Their work is often unnoticed by the public, but it is vital to the functioning of modern aviation. So the next time you see an airplane flying overhead, take a moment to appreciate the unseen heroes who made that flight possible. Their dedication and expertise make air travel one of the safest modes of transportation. They are the unsung heroes of aviation, working silently to connect our world. Their efforts ensure that we can travel across continents and oceans with confidence, knowing that someone is always watching over us from the control tower.